In a universe not so far from our own, Earth is not a blue marble but a colossal torus, a grand, spinning donut floating serenely in space. The story begins with Dr. Lila Sato, an intrepid geophysicist, gazing through her observatory window, her mind ablaze with questions about her world. The sun rises, not from the east, but from behind the donut's northern rim, casting a ring of light across the planet and plunging the central hole into perpetual twilight. Lila's colleague, Rajesh, speculates about the weather. On Donut Earth, the winds swirl chaotically, racing along the inner edge and sweeping across the empty central void. Monsoons gather intensity, colliding where the gravity, strange and uneven, pulls air inward. Cities built on the inner rim experience gravity at peculiar slants, with buildings tilting ever so slightly toward the donut's thickest curve. Transportation is wild. Trains loop around the colossal ring, sometimes diving through tunnels that follow the donut's curvature. Amelia, an adventurous teenager, hops aboard a magnetic pod, her destination the equatorial hub nestled closest to the sun's radiant arc. As the pod twists through the donut hole, she marvels at the forgiving chill, the eternal dawn-like sky, and the ghostly auroras that shimmer above. The oceans form two vast, swirling lakes, one along the outer edge and another along the inner rim. Fishermen drop lines in the inner waters, chasing creatures adapted to low, sideways gravity. In the outer seas, bioluminescent jellyfish cast gentle glows, echoing the planet's donut shape. History takes a turn. Ancient civilizations built cathedrals on towering cliffs overlooking the donut's hole, believing the twilight region to be sacred. Navigators charted maps by tracing the ring's outer rim, discovering that travel between the inner and outer worlds is treacherous. One day, Lila's team launches a weather balloon toward the planet's center. Cameras reveal the donut hole as a place where clouds form endless vortices and gravity nearly disappears. Tribes native to the hole's inner surface have evolved with elongated limbs and astonishing balance, their villages strung on suspension bridges across the lightless chasm. As night falls, Rajesh calculates planetary time cycles. The donut Earth's days are shorter, with seasons split into three: sunlit, twilight, and shadow. This tripartite climate nurtures three distinct cultures, sharing legends that the donut was formed by a celestial baker. At the next global summit, Amelia presents her findings. Agriculture thrives on the donut rim, while twilight crops grow underground. Lila sketches a future where spacecraft launch easily from the low-gravity central hole, opening the possibility of effortless galactic travel. And so, Donut Earth spins on, wondrous and weird, its peoples uniquely adapted to their ring-shaped realm. Different cultures thrive, science pushes boundaries, and legends swirl in perpetual twilight, all within the embrace of a cosmic pastry.